Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video, we are going to create an Instagram bot using Python Selenium. Using that bot, we are going to automate the Instagram commands. If you are a beginner, I suggest you to watch the previous automation videos that I made. It helps you to understand this video completely. Let's start this video. In the first step, we are going to import the required modules for creating this Instagram bot. From the Selenium, we are going to import WebDriver, and the second required module is time. After importing the modules, we need to create a variable called browser, and in the variable you need to write webdriver.chrome, and inside the brackets you need to mention your path of your Chrome driver. Next step, you need to call the required website that you want to automate. So write browser.get, and inside the brackets you need to mention your website name that you want to automate. In this video, our main aim is to automate the Instagram commands. For doing the login process, we need two requirements, that is username and password. We need to send these two requirements to Instagram website. Create a variable called as username, and in this variable you need to write browser.findElement by XPath. I will show you how to find the element by using the XPath. Here you can see that login information page. Now go to the username input text field and press the right click and inspect the particular element. Here you can see the input field and select the field and press the right click and copy the element by full XPath. So this is the main step, and you need to replicate this step for doing every automation task. Now you need to send your username to the particular input text field. So write username dot send keys, and inside the brackets you need to mention your username and create a password variable, and in this variable you need to do the same thing that we did in the previous part. Now go to the browser and inspect the password input text field and go to the element and copy the element by full XPath. Paste the element in the variable password, and you need to send your password to the particular field. Okay, so this is the concept you need to understand. And finally, you need to write password.submit. So this is the login process. After completing the login process, you can see this pop-up menu. We need to take action to close this pop-up box. That is very simple process. We need to send a mouse click as an input to the not now button. Right click the not now button and press the inspect button. You can see the button class here. Just copy the element by XPath. Now go to your code and create a variable called as not now for your understanding purposes, and write browser.findElement by XPath. Inside this bracket you need to paste the element, and you can see that this website is asking for the notifications. We need to send click to this button. So follow the same process that we did in the previous part to avoid the notifications. So this is our first part. Next we need to declare two functions. Under this function we need to assign the automation task. Declare a function called as first pick. Under this function we need to select the first picture that appears on your newsfeed. So create a variable called as pick, and in this variable you need to write browser.findElement by class name, and in this object you need to pass the class name web element. Okay, just go to the Instagram web page and inspect the first photo of your newsfeed, and next we need to send the click as an input. So this is our first function, and next you need to declare another function, and you need to make this function to comment the pictures on your newsfeed. So this is the concept. Declare a function called as comment, and in this function you need to create a variable called as comment area. Go to your Instagram page and inspect the comment box and copy the web element. In this variable you need to paste your class name web element, and you need to send two clicks to the particular web element. Okay, after sending the clicks we can able to print our comments in the comment box. Next we need to write comment area.send keys. Inside the brackets you need to mention your comments, and if you want to post your comment then you need to type comment area.submit. So this is the complete process of automation for doing the commands on Instagram. And don't forget to call those two functions that you declared initially. Just run the script, that is enough. Now everything is handled by the Selenium library. So you can see that our code works perfectly. So this is our script to comment on Instagram website. And that's all about this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you.